Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to uninstall FileZilla in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, close FileZilla if it's open, close it. After that, go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel. In control panel, find programs and features. Click on the programs and features. In programs and feature, find FileZilla. Select the FileZilla from these programs. Here we find our all installed program. Find FileZilla, select the FileZilla. At the top, here we find uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click on the uninstall. And it's asked to reboot or the restart now. Click on reboot and restart now. Or click on I want reboot later. And click on the finish. And your FileZilla is completely uninstalled from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.